Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to become popular, and probably in the next 3 months to a year is going to become extremely popular. But before I show you the niche, I just want to share with you my Redbubble course that I just uploaded yesterday. If you want, I'll have the link. But basically, it's a Redbubble masterclass, a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. It's only $19.99, and you get 20 lessons and over an hour of highly valuable content. This is good for people that are beginners on Redbubble or people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are some of my last few payments from PayPal. So here is PayPal. You'll see my last 3 payments from Redbubble. 300, 275, 222. So if you want to get payments like this every month from Redbubble, you might want to consider taking a look at this course. Again, it's only $19.99. The link will be in the description. Okay, now let's get back to the niche that I wanted to share with you. So the niche is, and it's right here, Crustaceancore. And this niche is similar to a niche that came out last year, if you remember, was called Cottagecore. And that niche actually ended up taking off. That niche is like this right here, where you have images of mushrooms, frogs, butterflies, things like that. But this Crustaceancore is basically like a brand new niche. You're going to see, like on Etsy, this is what it looks like right here. So it's basically images of lobsters, shrimp, kind of like right here. You get a good idea of how it looks like. Seashells. So it's kind of like cottagecore, but more for like the ocean. All right. And you can see here, there's only 362 results when I type in Crustaceancore shirt. When we go to cottagecore, there's 20,000. And a year ago, this cottagecore niche had results like this. And this cottagecore niche ended up blowing up. If you remember, or if you have designs in this niche, you're probably getting sales and doing well. And it's probably going to be the same. I don't have a crystal ball or anything, but it's probably going to be the same with this new niche right here, Crustaceancore shirt. So, it might be a good idea to position yourself and get ready in case this niche does very well. So the way I'm going to go after this niche is I'm going to basically go to Vexels. I got an affiliate link in the description. It's only $20 a month. You get good clip art. But I just typed in lobster, and you can get some clip art here. Get some ideas. And what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to go onto Etsy, and I'm going to go to like crustacean wall art, and I'm going to get some ideas. And I'm going to try and come up with something similar, like these wall art, and then basically put it on a t-shirt. Something like maybe like 3 lobsters with different colors, or maybe like a lobster, a crab, and some other type of crustacean animal. But I'm going to probably do something like this and put it on a t-shirt, or I might just make like a collage like this of a whole bunch of different type of shellfish, animals like that. But again, this could be a really good opportunity for us, because as we saw last year, this niche blew up, and this niche is probably going to do the same. All right, so another way you can go about it is you can just go on to Etsy, and you can just look for Crustaceancore, like clip art, PNG, see what they have. That's another way to find graphics that you can use. But you just want to make sure you want to read the description, like maybe this one right here. You want to read the description, and you want to make sure that you're able to use it for clip art, or for print on demand, because sometimes they'll say, you're not allowed to upload these onto any print on demand sites. So just check first to make sure that you don't get in trouble. And then the keyword that you want to use is Crustaceancore in your title. If we go to merch, there's nothing for this. Like I typed it in right here, Crustaceancore. There's only 4 results, and this is probably like the closest thing to it, which isn't even really like that style. Let's see again, yeah, nothing here. And again, the competition on some of these other sites, if we go to Redbubble, you'll kind of get an idea as well of what the niche is or how it looks. But it's basically like these little, lobster, shrimp with like, retro colors. All right, so I wanted to share that with you. I think it's going to be a good opportunity for us. Get your designs up, especially for Christmas, because Christmas is obviously a huge time for print on demand. Yeah, that's basically it. So that's going to be the video for today. Again, if you're interested in my in mastering Redbubble, check out the course. I'm going to have a Merch by Amazon one I'm going to try and get it uploaded today, so hopefully I'll have that for you tomorrow. I'm going to look for another niche so I can make another video for you guys. But yeah, the link will be in the description. Check out the other affiliate links in the description as well. If you like this kind of content, I'm pretty much putting out videos for like design ideas, trendy niches almost on a daily basis. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing, click the bell, and check out my other videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.